Hey everyone! If you're trying to install or reinstall Steam and getting the error destination folder must be empty, don't worry, this video will walk you through exactly how to fix it. Let's get started. Go to the Start menu, type Add or Remove Programs, and click on it. Scroll down the list of installed programs and find Steam. Once you find it, click the three dots next to Steam and select Uninstall. Follow the prompts to fully remove Steam from your system. Go to Start, search for File Explorer options, and open it. Click on the View tab. Under Advanced Settings, select Show Hidden Files, Folders, and Drives. Click Apply, then OK. Open File Explorer, then click on this PC. Go to the drive where Windows is installed, usually the C drive, with a Windows icon. Open the folder called Program Files. Look for a folder named Steam, right-click it, and select Delete. Next, go back and open Program Files, x86. If there's another Steam folder here, delete that one too. Make sure Steam is completely removed from both folders. Once both folders are deleted, restart your computer. Then head to the official Steam website and download the latest version of Steam. Install it again, and the destination folder must be empty error should now be gone.